Your doors play a larger role in your home's comfort, safety, and appearance than you may realize. From keeping your family secure to improving energy efficiency, a high-quality door is one of the most important features of your Clinton Township home. But like anything else in your home, doors wear out over time. Recognizing the early signs that it's time for a replacement can save you money, improve comfort, and instantly enhance curb appeal. If you're unsure whether your doors are due for an upgrade, here are the top indicators to look out for. Drafts and temperature fluctuations. If you feel a sudden cold breeze near your entryway or notice rooms near exterior doors are harder to keep warm in the winter or cool in the summer, your door may be losing its seal. Older doors often warp, develop gaps, or experience failing weather stripping. These leaks force your HVAC system to work harder, leading to higher utility bills. A new energy-efficient door eliminates drafts and helps maintain a stable indoor temperature year-round. Difficulty opening and closing the door. A door should open and close smoothly. If you struggle to get your door to latch, notice it sticks, or hear scraping sounds, it may be due to structural warping, a worn-out frame, or loose hinges. Michigan's fluctuating temperatures and humidity can cause older wood doors to expand and contract, which leads to long-term misalignment. If basic repairs aren't solving the problem, a replacement is often the most reliable fix. Visible damage or deterioration. Cracks, dents, rust, peeling paint, and soft or rotting spots are clear signs of aging. Even small cracks can compromise your home's insulation and security. Moisture damage is especially common in older doors and can quickly worsen if ignored. Beyond reducing protection, worn or damaged doors drag down the overall appearance of your home's exterior. Replacing them restores both beauty and function. Increasing energy bills. Clinton Township homeowners know how extreme Michigan winters can be. If your energy bills are steadily rising and your HVAC system is running non-stop, the problem could be your doors. Outdated doors, especially those made decades ago, lack the insulation and sealing technology found in modern ones. Upgrading to an energy-efficient door can significantly reduce energy loss and save you money every month. Condensation between glass panes. If your door has a glass insert or window and you see fog or condensation trapped between the panes, that means the seal has failed. Once this happens, the glass no longer insulates properly, which results in energy loss and possible water damage. The most effective solution is replacing the door with a modern insulated model designed to withstand Michigan's climate. Outdated style or faded appearance. Your entry door is one of the first things guests notice about your home. If it looks outdated, faded, or simply doesn't match your home's current style, upgrading can dramatically improve curb appeal. Many homeowners in Clinton Township choose replacement doors not just out of necessity, but because they want a fresh, modern look and increased property value. Reduced security or locking issues. Your doors are your home's first line of defense. If your locks don't function properly, the door feels flimsy, or the frame looks weakened, your home's security could be at risk. Newer doors are built with stronger materials, enhanced lock systems, and better impact resistance, an important upgrade for any homeowner prioritizing safety. Upgrade your Clinton Township home with confidence. If you've noticed one or more of these signs, it may be time to invest in new replacement doors. A well-chosen door can improve comfort, energy efficiency, security, and the overall appearance of your home. Whether you're dealing with drafts, damage, or an outdated design, replacing your doors is a smart, long-term improvement that delivers immediate benefits.